106, boys 11 to 12, hit number 3. Swimming in lane 0, Zamora Benhiro. Lane 1, Cacandelia Sander Ho. Lane 2, Stuart David Andrew Jason. Lane 3, Simon Miguel Alejandro. Lane 4, Salvador Rafael Alicia Mia. Lane 5, Zebel Elijah Seth. Lane 6, Bautista Frederick Alexander. Lane 7, Domingo Don Ezequiel. Lane 8, Alday Isaac Sebastian. And lane 9, Bashan Jenny. We would like to inform everyone that there has been a disqualification under event 106, hit number 2, lanes 0 and 8. To Sonic Sports for keeping our officials looking sharp at the first ever Milo Interschool Long Course North Luzon. You brought the style to the podium. Thank you so much.